see our sketch. We draw from the front side. Firstly, we need to select the plane. So select front plane and go to the line command, choose the center line, draw the line from the origin. Again choose the center line command and draw the horizontal line, then give the distance to him as 61, which is the center of the circle. Then draw the circles, draw the two circles and go to the smart dimension, then give the dimensions to the circle, that is 58 and other one is 90 as per our sketch. So there is a curvature surface at the bottom edge, so we again choose the circle command, then draw the circle, then draw the center line at the horizontal side from the origin. So firstly select the circle and then center line, give the relation as tangent. Firstly select the random circle and then select 58 diameter circle and give the relation as coincident. Then by using the trim feature, we trim the remaining lines which were intersecting between that arc. Then we draw a line from the end point of the arc and we will give the distance as 172 divided by 2. So go to the smart dimension, then select the origin and the end point of the line and give the distance as 172 divided by 2, that is 86. Again choose the line command and draw the line and give the distance as 16 as per our sketch. Then again we need to draw a line, so we are choosing the end point of the current line and draw the line. Then we choosing a arc command, that is 3-point arc command, from the end point of the line and the arc which we already trimmed. Go to the smart dimensions and choose the dimension as 24. Then trim the remaining portion. We need radius at that arc and line joining point, so we select that both. So firstly we select them both and go to the fillet and choose the fillet R as 12 and click OK. Now this shape is OK. Now we need to now sketch is ready to mirror, so select the mirror command and select all the sketch, right to the center line and select the mirror about, that is our center line. So click on center line, then click on OK. Now to constrain the sketch, we are giving the dimensions, remaining dimensions. Our sketch is defined, and exit sketch. Then go to the features. Now we choose the extruded length, so that is 70. So go to the features, go to the extrude boss and choose the extruded length as 70, then click on OK. So our primary sketch is ready. Then we again see our sketch, what we draw first from the remaining. And firstly select the front plane, and choose the center line command. Draw the center line from the center of the object. Then draw the circle, draw a random circle and give the diameter as 15. Then choose the distance from the bottom to the center of the circle is 61 as per our sketch. Then again draw a line, choose the distance as 4 mm between center line to vertical line. We need to mirror this line, so choose the line and go to the mirror. Click on OK. Then trim the remaining portion of the circle and exit sketch. Go to the extruded cut, then select through all and select both the directions, direction 1 and direction 2. Click on OK. Then again select the front plane and click on sketch. Choose the center line command, draw the center line from the center of the object. Then choose the circle command and just draw the random circle. Choose the dimension as 28 mm. Choose the dimension as 56 diameter, 56 mm diameter. Select the center of the circle and center line and just drag it on the line and choose the mate as coincident. Then select the center of the circle and bottom line and give the dimension between them as 120 mm as per our sketch. Draw the center line, that is horizontal center line, at the top of the object, and then trim the portion, totally portion except of the right side, right bottom side, and close the corners, remaining corners by the line command. then exit sketch, go to the revolve cut, then select the only axis of revolution as center line, our center line, and click on OK. This is the only difficult part of this sketch. Choose the top face of the object and click on sketch. Then go to the slot command. Then go to the slot command and draw the random slot on the face. Then go to the smart dimension, and firstly we need to draw the center line at the center of the object on the top plane. Then double click on our slot and change the dimension of the slot, that is outer dimension. Slot is at the center. Slot is at the center. So choose the dimension from the center line to slot center as 65 mm as per our sketch. And choose the center of the slot and vertical center line. And give the relation as coincident. Then click on OK. Then give the other dimensions to constrain our sketch. Our sketch is constrained, so we need to mirror this. Then go to the mirror command, select the slot, choose the center line and click on OK. Now exit sketch, go to the extruded cut, select the thickness through all and click on OK. Our object is completed.